Hello everyone, this is my review of the Sevin Trigger Spray Bug Killer. This product used to kill bugs around your house, like over 100 different insects. You can use it to kill bugs in your garden and some that might be around your house. It's a pretty good this bug spray has a pump action handle and adjustable nozzle, so you can turn it off or have it on so you don't accidentally spray. If you need to keep it safe with children so they don't spray it or mess with it and liquid come out. But you can see it sprays in a stream and it works pretty good at killing the bugs around the house. So I do highly recommend this product, and I hope that this review helps.